Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be going over the FibSwap chart. FibSwap has been in a bit of a downtrend recently, but recently it's just brought out some news that is going to be really exciting. So they've got a huge announcement coming up soon and they're going to be discussing that on the AMA this week. So it's a partnership and brand ambassador, so there's going to be much more marketing coming out from this. And I've got other things going on in the background as well. As you know, I've been involved with FibSwap from the very beginning, and this could be absolutely massive. And with the recent Burial coming under the umbrella of FibSwap as well, that's another token that's just came out, Burial, which is a social media app and gaming app. This could really kind of explode FibSwap. So we're going to look at the chart. So this is a chart just now. You can see here we have a very stable of 0.3%, which was the kind of previous bottom there and is bouncing off support. So that's kind of strong support there. Previous support was around the 0.5%. It did go down from there and it looks as if we've got support at 0.1% as well. Don't know if it'll I don't think it'll drop down below that with the announcement of the brand and kind of marketing partnership as well that's coming up. So what we're looking to do is bounce from here at 0.3%. It's now 4.7%. Bounce from here and going up to the 1 cent area again. So that's a kind of move of around about 124%. I think this is going to do it relatively easily. You know what I think about FibSwap. It's a multi-chain DEX, one of the first of its kind. It's been out for a few months now and it's only going to get bigger and better, and there's other things going on in the background as well with regards to kind of venture capitalists, etc., that could really explode FibSwap way beyond this kind of 2 cents all-time high as well. So we're getting a really good price here. Traffic light charts, support 0.3%. The next area of resistance is about 1 cent. Then all-time high is 2 cents. I think we're going to be starting that journey. Well, we are starting that journey very soon. So it's gone up today already about 30%, and I'm expecting that to go up a lot more as well. So watch this space for FibSwap. You can see hopefully it's going to be coming out of a downtrend. So you can see the downtrend here. So you can see that quite clearly here. We've got a couple of touch points on this downtrend here, and it looks like obviously a descending triangle, and it's breaking out that descending triangle. Where could it break to from the descending triangle if we were going to see it, view it as a descending triangle? I think there's multiple ways you can look at this, but we'll do a measured move for the descending triangle, and we'll do a move to around about the 0.9 cent area, which is a move of about 90% or something. That'd be the measured move if we're doing it as a descending triangle pattern, and it's breaking out there just now. And it looks as if it's going to go much higher. So 4.7% for FibSwap just now, could go much, much higher than this, obviously, as well. Watch this space for FibSwap. You know, I've been a big, huge advocate of FibSwap and the FibSwap team, and now the Burial team as well. This could skyrocket very, very soon. Okay, until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.